Dear students, this is the way you have to write your exams using Moodle. Already we have sent the link to you through WhatsApp. Once you enter this, the login page will open and enter the username and password that is shared to you through WhatsApp and click login. Now a next page will open with you must change your password to proceed indication. In this page you will be asked to set 3 passwords: current password, new password and confirm the new password. In the current password you enter the password that you used for login to Moodle. After this, try to enter the new password. The new password can be completely new, or you can type the same password that you used in the current password and add a letter or a number or a special character like @ symbol in the new password and type it. Repeat typing the new password again without changing anything in the next column. See to that you type the exact password that you have done in the new password without changing any character. And once you have done this, click Save Changes. Now you will see the indication your password has changed successfully. So now your password has been changed. Now once again log in to Moodle using the link that you have previously used. You will be asked to fill the username and password. Now use the new password that you have currently set. Now under My Courses, select Courses in Progress. Here select your subject code and subject title that you are supposed to write on the day. Refer your CA timetable and choose the subject code. Here you can find the link Part A with MCQ type questions. There are 30 questions, out of which 20 best will be taken. You can answer all the 30 questions, and once you answer all the 30 questions you can click Submit All and Finish, and once again you can click Submit All and Finish, and the answers will be saved automatically. Remember, the time limit for Part A questions is 30 minutes. So even if you have completed that Part A within 30 minutes, you are supposed to wait until the 30 minutes gets over. Then only the Part B will open. Now after 30 minutes, the Part B link will open for you. Now you can click the link Part B to answer this. Once you click this, the Part B question paper will get downloaded. The time limit for writing Part B is 1 hour. So answer the questions that are given in the Part B suitably in an answer script. In your answer script, write your register number, subject code, subject title along with the page number. In every page, please provide these informations. Once you finish answering Part B, kindly scan all your answer script using a scanning software and convert it into PDF format. Compile all the pages sequentially and keep it ready for uploading in PDF format. Now kindly log into your Moodle page again. Under your subject code and the respective subject, you will find the option click here to upload the descriptive questions. Once you click this, you will be asked to enter your student login particulars. Use your student username and password and click login. In the next page, you click exam uploads and then click the icon CA uploads. After this, kindly select the subject from the scroll down option and click it. Be careful to choose the subject that you have written on that day. After this, use the choose file option and upload the PDF file of your answer script, and then click upload and your file will be uploaded successfully. After this, you can click log out. Dear students, this is how you are supposed to use Moodle for writing your CA exam. Kindly follow the instructions diligently and write your CA exams well. Wishing you all the very best.